So if it's 2,000 years old, why did Zionism only develop in the 19th century?
But sometimes the Arab community in Palestine participated, collaborated with the Zionists.
Looking behind the curtain and showing them this is how these platforms are used, this is why, and this is what you might expect to see. I think that will go a long way.
It will be interesting to see the 75th, stamp, what Israel will show. I don't see very diverse population here, like demographically.
Students at the end of the semester to be able to be confident in both the way they speak, the way they think, and the way they look at the situation.
Our job is not to tell students what to think, but rather to train them how to think critically by incorporating as many primary sources as we possibly can.